Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. Yes, once again we are going to run this binary option robot from Pocket Option, Alpha Master. You can run this robot also, just use the link you find up there right now, and you can download this robot and get started today. Or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video, you'll find my free Forex Telegram group that you can join today with the link below the video. So with that, let's start up Alpha Master. And there we have it, $120 in matter of minutes. You can download this robot also, link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.